Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the address removal failed error on Amazon. This is a common issue that can prevent you from deleting old or incorrect addresses from your account. So let's get this sorted out quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. On the account page, look for the section labeled Your Addresses and click on it. This is where Amazon stores all the shipping and billing addresses you've added to your account over time. Here you'll see a list of all your saved addresses, making it easy to manage which ones you want to keep or remove. Now locate the address you want to delete and click the Remove button next to it. If you're experiencing the address removal failed error, this is where the issue will occur. The error typically happens because the address you're trying to remove is currently set as your default digital purchase address, which Amazon requires you to maintain. To fix this, you need to reassign a different address for your digital purchases first. Click on the hyperlink that says Set a different residential address for your digital purchases. This is the key step that will allow you to successfully remove the problematic address. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter address details. Fill in your full name, street address, city, state, province, region, and zip code. Make sure all the information is accurate and complete. You'll also need to enter a phone number associated with this address. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click the Update button to save your new digital purchase address. After updating your digital purchase address, you should now be able to go back and successfully remove the address that was giving you trouble earlier. The error should be resolved because Amazon now has a different residential address on file for your digital content. And that's it. You fixed the address removal failed error by simply updating your digital purchase address first. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.